We've heard from the prosecution, but the defense team is ready to go. Take a look.
On the defense team tonight, from Jacksonville, Florida, criminal defense lawyer extraordinaire Janet Johnson. She's seen all, defending clients accused of assault, rape, fraud, and murder. Also on the team, a former senior prosecutor from Atlanta. He worked arm in arm with HLN's Nancy Grace, putting criminals behind bars. And now he's defending Jodi. Can they deliver a not guilty verdict on tonight's bold accusation?
Okay, two of the best. Janet Johnson, let me start with you. Tell the jury why you think it's important that there is no direct evidence of premeditation.
Everything that was just described to you is circumstantial evidence, and some of it looks bad, but it was all explained, and that's reasonable doubt. Direct evidence would be Jodi said, boy, I hate Travis, I want to kill him. To the contrary, she said only nice things about him. Travis is the one who said the mean things. Evidence that she was lying in wait. No evidence of that. In fact, she was there for 13 hours. He was asleep. She could have killed him. She had opportunity. She waits for 13 hours after having sex with a man. There's no direct evidence, and anything that's circumstantial, we're going to explain.
And Kirby, the messy crime scene, what should that tell the jury about a possible crime of passion?
It tells the jury this was a crime of passion. That's what it tells you. She came in there with a gun under the prosecution's theory, so she should have shot him dead at the door. She should have shot him dead every hour on the hour. They had sex. They recorded it. She had plenty of time to do this, but she didn't. It was a crime of passion. Also, they made a big thing about her having these gas cans, as if she couldn't have paid for gas with cash when she was coming from California to Arizona. Do you understand what I'm saying? Their theory is too broad. It's a bold accusation. She's not guilty.
And Janet, for you, the most important thing is that day that Travis was killed. What does the jury need to know about that?
Well, you know, she got there, you know, however she got there, whatever route she took, she gets there early in the morning. They have sex, they take pictures, they have a snack, they take a nap. He's looking at YouTube. His back is to her. There's so many opportunities that would have been better opportunities. She's going to wait till he has a chance to actually defend himself and do it in a position where she's actually vulnerable. Why would she wait 13 hours? The timeline doesn't make sense.
I think you're absolutely right. And I think we have a graphic that also demonstrates the fact. You have a messy crime scene. You have 11 hours alone with Travis. All of these things show that there was something going on there that wasn't premeditation. They were having sex, they were having relations, taking photos. And then you have that messy crime scene, multiple stab wounds. Some of those stabs weren't even lethal stab wounds. So you have that, and that all shows you this was a crime of passion.
All right, crime of passion, says the defense. Juror number 3, you have a question.
Well, there was a myriad of reasons. You know, you saw what Vinny said. But how do you explain all of that? And I think that Jodi brought her bag of tricks, pun intended. I think she brought sex.
So you think she brought all of this with her. Janet, what do you say to that?
She brought it all with her.
Well, you know, and that might be one reasonable explanation, but here's our reasonable explanation, and that equals reasonable doubt. Why would she have to do that? He invited her in the home. We know that. Why wouldn't she just shoot him? Why wouldn't she wait for him to come out and shoot him? Why put him through all that and then do it at the least opportune time? When he was asleep, wouldn't that have been a better time to do it?
Okay. I know you have some more points, juror number 3. I love you, dear, but I got to get to juror number 5. What do you have?
I just wonder, Jodi said that her phone died while she was, you know, out and about. If she had time to get her hair and her nails done, then why didn't she have time to buy a phone charger?
Kirby.
Well, you know what? You can get a phone charger, and that doesn't disprove anything. I would just suggest to you, how many times have you been without a cell phone? How many times your cell phone died? Do you go and buy a charger? No, you do what you have to do. So I would just suggest the fact that she didn't get that doesn't prove premeditation. In fact, it proves a lack of planning, if anything. So that also disproves their theory that she planned this murder.
And if a phone, I mean, a phone could die for lots of reasons. There could be no cell reception where she was driving. That's another version of it being dead.
All right, juror number 6 has a question.
How can you explain the camera? The BAU says some killers want pictures or things like that as tokens. So what is the defense's reasons for wanting to have the camera?
Well, that's a great question, but think about this. She went back when she realized what had happened, and she tried to delete those pictures. The best evidence against her are those pictures. Why would she use the camera, take those pictures of this premeditated murder, then go back and try to delete them and put it in the washer and try to destroy the evidence? It all points to she didn't mean to do it. And I'm not saying it's self-defense. You don't have to buy self-defense, but it's not premeditated, and she wouldn't photograph it.
And only serial killers want tokens. She's not a serial killer.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard from both sides, but just like the Arias jury, you're going to get to ask questions of the lawyers out at our recreated crime scene.
We as a society